Alright, we'll start this off vlog style. I don't give a shit. Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Not gonna lie to you guys know I'm really bad at lying. Your boy's real hungover right now. It was my dad's like anniversary of his passing yesterday. I'm not gonna lie, I like drank the pain away, which is not good. Do not recommend it, never do it, but I did. I gotta put out a video for you boys, and it's gonna be good probably. It's usually pretty good when I'm loopy, so there we go, back in action again. Alright, actually the filming part, now that we get at it, is like not the hard part. I love talking to you guys. This is why I'm doing this right now. It's gonna help cleanse my soul of the devilish activities I did yesterday. Bad. What we're dealing with today, boys, actually a lot of you guys have hit me up. This company called the Goo Shop, we're getting right into this one. The Goo Shop, stupidest name I've ever heard. You guys started sending me videos of their jewelry. We're gonna put one up right here. Of their jewelry, I just watched it. It's kind of crazy that they're selling. It's fake, but it looks way too good to be true. Like, if you guys are watching this video right now, it looks so good. I haven't seen any other fake jewelry that shines like it, and to be honest, I feel like they must be doing some sort of camera tricks. You feel me? Don't understand how it can shine that well. I feel like they maybe like have a little bit of blur on the camera or something. They've got some weird lighting. It looks too good. We had to check it out. The Goo Shop, guys, if you're watching, I think he sponsored one of my videos way back in the past, but I don't care. My honesty goes to the boys, not your stupid website name. You guys can probably already tell right off the bat that I don't believe that this jewelry is actually gonna look this good, but once again, we're back with another video of, can this jewelry actually look as good as they display it? I don't know. That's what it is. I just kind of feel like vlogging with y'all today, bro. I'm just really out of my mind right now. I just like, and it's been a tough week, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Holy hell, what was that? Whoops. Anyway, boys, thank you guys so much for watching. In all seriousness, I'm half-assing this a little too much. We gotta get it together a little bit. Thank you guys so much for supporting, honestly. And also, I want to give like you guys like a little like, I gotta bust your balls a little bit, to be honest. You guys have been saying for the longest time, we need old NameBran back with like the cool sneaker customs, boys. If you guys didn't see last video, it's probably one of my favorite videos I've done in so long. I was so proud of it. You guys didn't click it. It didn't get shared. It's all cool, but just go check it out if you guys want to. If you really want to see like that old stuff again, the custom stuff that I used to do that I was so proud of, like we can do it, but we need those views up, and this is why we have to keep doing jewelry, because you know that's all you guys click on. So just feel me on that one. But without further ado, here is the company that is selling some product that should not look as good as it does for it being fake. Now I'm starting to get excited about this video. This I actually have been waiting for. I got fast shipping on it for a while. We got another package on here. We got packaging on packaging. They're doing well with this one. Oh, and they got me a nice little box. So I actually have been stoked to get this because like I say, I really do think that these guys are putting out phenomenal quality jewelry if it is what they show on their video. Now, first off, we're not gonna take a look at the jewelry. Come in a little big ball sack bag right here. Feel your nuts, boys. Feels about like that. A little faker. It says Goo. Everything now in flex. I don't know what that means, but there's the Goo Shop thing right here. We're checking out the piece. Oh, before we look at that, we got a card. Guess what we say about these every time, boys? If there's no code to give you guys a discount, we don't care. Nice little touch though. Thicker than my credit card. Authenticity and lifetime guarantee. Our materials are certified 14 to 18 karat gold, 925. Oh, word! Let's go! This is sterling silver. Oh, and genuine rhodium. I don't know what this is then. Now let's get into this, boys. Now, what we saw in the video, before I really have a good look at this, what we saw in the video was their exact necklace that they were promoting. I didn't want to spend that much money just to see if the quality was that good, so I got the same thing but in bracelet style, just a little bit smaller, so we can actually do a fair comparison on this. And right off the bat, their bagging is sick. Their bag is dope. I'm gonna be putting a little dope in this later, I guarantee that. Can't say that, Brandon. Anyway, boys, let's check her out. Holy hell. What the Goo Shop? I am sorry for everything I just said, and holy shit, this is not sponsored, boys. I'm gonna try to get sponsors with these guys now. Holy shit. Correct me if I'm wrong, boys, but this looks just as good as it does in the freaking videos that they put out. This isn't even the best lighting for jewelry. This is probably the best fake jewelry I have ever seen. I'm not lying to you on that. The weight is a little light. You can tell it might break at one point. It's definitely not silver. But the clustering on this, bro. Holy hell, and they even have the clasp right here. This is how the big stars that actually have the real cool jewelry, the clasps do come just like this. Holy shit. I thought this was going to be a half-assed video, and it was just like, it was just not going to be a good product, but obviously the clasp isn't working. Okay, we got to figure this one out. Goo Shop, they will not be linked. They will not be linked, but you can go search them up. The clasp, I'm shocked right now. I'm shocked. I'm not doing this for the count. Bro, look at this. It's absolutely remarkable. It's remarkable. We're gonna have to diamond test this thing. I didn't even think about this. They weren't lying. It looks that good. Here, boys, we'll give it a little bit of better lighting here. I'm still super shocked on this one. It's just remarkable. I don't know what else to say, man. I'm kind of in shock. I thought GLD was the best to do it, but this stuff is absolutely clean. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. I don't even know what the rest of the content is for this video, because best case scenario is crappy and I just rail on them for 4 minutes straight to get this to 8 minutes so we get a little bit more money, but I don't, it's really that good. I'm stoked for y'all, man. Let's go! This might be a good video after all. Anyway, the goose shop right there, boys. We're gonna diamond tester real quick. He didn't say it would pass the diamond tester, but I'm so stoked about this turnout. Yeah, just a little look. Absolutely phenomenal. This is better than anything I've ever seen Shop GLD put out. This is actually crazy. This is craziness. And you guys know I don't wear fake jewelry, but I might be tempted to wear something like this because ain't nobody calling you out. Holy fuck. Yeah, boys, these guys got it down pat. I just went off camera for a second and looked at it a little harder. We're gonna do the diamond tester. Quick ad, but don't be mad because ads by brand, name brand. Wow, that was sick. Boys, our website, if you click the link down below, sells a bunch of really cheap jewelry that you can't find any cheaper online unless you go like really searching for it. I try to give you guys the best price possible. NameBranFam.com is the title of the website, boys. So if you just go click down below, everything's free for the most part. Some things you have to pay money for, but if you find an item that you like that is free, you could actually add 2 of those to your cart, but you still have to pay shipping, so it's not fully free, but 2 items. Add 2 items, not 1 free item. A lot of you guys do that. 2 free items to your cart, pay the shipping, you'll get it to your door. NameBranFan.com. Really appreciate you guys for that, man. It really helps the channel. Thank you. What I did pay for this was $110 American, so it's not a bad price. Like I say, it's the same video that they showed of the necklace, but I just bought the bracelet because, you know, save a little bit of money. 110 bucks USD. I paid a little bit more for shipping, so it was probably a little bit cheaper than that, but let's try the diamond tester. They didn't say once again that it would pass, but I mean, it's always worth the go. With these cheap little crappy diamond testers, you never know what can get past them, and I think that's the fun part. Diamond tester engaged. That just means it's hitting metal. These diamonds are so small. Yeah, doesn't look like anything. That's fine. Anyway, boys, there it is. I feel like a happy last pickle in the jar right now. The guy that didn't get eaten. It's like, oh, I'm a little pickle in a jar and I haven't been eaten yet. I don't, that's stupid. That's weird. What a weird thing to say. Don't edit this out of the video, Brad. We're down. That's what it is. It wasn't too good to be true. You guys let me know what you think, but in my personal opinion, this might be the best fake jewelry we have ever unboxed on the channel. To this date. No word of a lie. I'm absolutely impressed. I'm surprised. More importantly, I'm hungover. Appreciate y'all for watching, marking the game the greatest of all time. I hope this wasn't too half ASS. I really did like talking to you guys, but like, I gotta get this. It's a hard week, man. It's a hard week. I feel I've been depressed, but hey, man, we'll get back to it. You know what I mean? Appreciate y'all for watching, marking the game the greatest of all time. Y'all have a good below.